So here's the thing. When I was a little kid and I used to play games like Project IGI on Windows XP and then the Need for Speed with really horrible graphics, I was really fascinated by games at the time. But then when I grew up and I see people in the classroom or somewhere in the subway, you know, playing with their phones and playing some Mario kind of games, I'm like, that are so silly. I'm sorry to say that, but like I really don't get the idea how people, like how much people get excited about these games. And then it's okay on your personal level for your entertainment, but when it gets, you know, people get debates about it and, you know, discussions about games, and I know it's a billion-dollar industry, but people still, when they get crazy about the new games and characters or how much they play, I'm like, I don't get it. But then interestingly, when I got introduced to things like Xbox and, you know, PS5s and PS4 and then the Nintendo, which I have here right now, which I'm gonna unbox in a moment, I sort of got interest again in games, but particularly gadgets which you can use on the go. That's why I got the Nintendo Switch, and this is the OLED model. As I mentioned earlier, that when I was a kid I used to play Need for Speed. That's why I have a game from the Nintendo, that is the Need for Speed Hot Pursuit. You can see here. So I'm really interested to try this game. And also I got the Sniper Elite, which is also gonna be fun because I'm a fan of war games, you know. So let's see how the experience goes. Okay, now if you watch my previous videos, you know that I already did the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Animal Crossing edition, and that was really cool. But now when I look at this Nintendo Switch, the standard OLED model, the box is a little smaller. Okay, so this is the Nintendo Switch. They don't mention OLED here, but this is the OLED model, and it's the Japanese model because I wanted an international version when I was buying it here in Shanghai. When you open it, the first thing you're presented here with these Joy-Cons. This is the teal and pinkish reddish kind of colors, but these are really complementary colors and I love this thing. So I can pop them out, and wow, nothing special, but they look really good. I love those colors, by the way. And I'll put that aside. What else we have in the box? We have the Nintendo OLED, and though I don't have the older versions here, but it feels really premium. I feel like this is the, like, with more thinner bezels, and the screen looks a little bigger, and I'm sure the graphics are also going to be much improved. Okay, so we have we have the docking station that I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. This is also black in color, which is going to complement the Switch, and that's really amazing. We have this HDMI cable, and we have the charger. Okay, this is something that I'm not a big fan of Nintendo, because the chargers, they don't have a longer battery life, but the chargers are super huge, which I'm not a fan, because the charger should be more cute, you know. And this is the Type-C, so I mean it should be like any smaller USB like Type-C cables, but I don't know why they make it so big. And what else we have? Okay, we have this hand grip controller kind of thing, so if you want to play, you can just turn it in there. That's kind of cool. So that's pretty much it in the box. And we have some, we have these extra handles. How many we have? Yeah, we have 2. So if you want to play it individually, like a multiplayer kind of thing, you can use these things, but I'm not gonna turn it on right now. Let's put things back in the box, because that's pretty much it. You can adjust the angle. That's I appreciate it. It's new. This was not like, I can see some smudges on my fingers, but I think that's okay. What else we have here is we have these Joy-Cons. So first I'm gonna put on the Joy-Cons. It will go this way. Yeah, it clicks like that. And then I have another one which will click in that way. Oh my god, this is the Switch. This looks so good. Maybe I'm a little exaggerating, but I love the colors, the teal and the pinkish reddish, along with the black, and the screen is much bigger, so I can play more nicely. Oh my god, and I can just put it here on this docking station, and that's the unboxing. So this was the unboxing of my Nintendo Switch OLED. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. If you are new to this channel, my name is Amir. I make tech videos, tech products, tech reviews, vlogs, cinematography, all those kind of things. So if you are into those kind of categories, please consider subscribing. Once again, my name is Amir, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.